If you're seeing this, it means we've done something really, really stupid. Wat zijn we doen?
Gipspad zagen. Explain what we're gonna do.
Just get some gas.
Yeah?
If you're seeing this, it means we've done something really, really stupid. But I really hope we do.
Yeah.
We're currently en route to check out a company building. We just saw listed on the internet because we were talking about it, and we made the stupid call to open up Funda, which is a local real estate site. From there, things spiraled out of control. So that's where we are now. Wat doen we hier?
Escaleren. Deze beelden nooit zien. Of wel?
Ik hoop het wel.
Ja, ik hoop het eigenlijk ook wel.
Dat betekent dat het echt goed is misgegaan.
Goed.
Zien jullie volgende week bij een nieuwe video.
Ja.
So, due to the last clip from 1 or 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
When he decided it was a good idea to make a little road trip.
I decided.
Well,
I came to you to change the valve cover gasket. Just the valve cover gasket. And now we're here.
Well, I mean, I just showed him an ad on Funda, which is a local real estate site. He did the rest. He was like, oh, we should go there and we should check it out.
I think we came here in your car.
Yeah,
you drove it. You drove it.
That was because of fuel
No.
efficiency.
You found the ad. You contacted the realtor.
Maybe. So yeah, the thing is, living in the Netherlands, real estate is really expensive. It's really highly populated, so things like a garage or a workshop is very expensive to rent. We've always wanted to get a garage or a shop with a couple of friends, but just because of the prices, it's impossible to do here. However, all of a sudden we came across something that looked almost too good to be true. So we were like, well, might as well check it out. And yeah, it turned out to be really great. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty empty. We still got a lot to do, but you'll see all that soon. A 15 by 15 shop. It's about 6-7 meters high. We've got a ground floor office, storage, I think, with a little kitchen and a toilet. We got an upstairs area. The plan is to turn the upstairs area into a lounge with some Sims, some sofas, some beamers and big plasma screens. The plan is to put 1 or 2 lifts on the ground floor for working on the cars who will eventually break down. We're gonna paint the walls, we're gonna do the floors. We're gonna make this upstairs area into a living area, a lounge of some sorts. Down here we'll try to make this into a workshop area with a welding equipment, welding table perhaps. And we'll have a spot for working on cars here as well. We're going to be placing a glass wall across the entire length of the upstairs area. I'm a glass worker by trade, so this is for me much easier than, for example, getting a wooden wall or something like that.
And it's cool to have this view when you're sitting here.
Yeah, what's better than building a dream garage where you have a glass wall, a lounge, being able to view the cars downstairs. This has been one of my dreams since ever I started working on cars. It's been a dream to have a garage like this, and yeah, it's finally happening. So yeah, this is the temporary office that was built here for 1970s, I think, and yeah, we're going to be turning this down as well. So we're going to have the glass wall here as well, and we have a nice view from the industrial complex that's right behind us.
And the carpet smells.
Yeah, it's really good that there's no smell, because the carpet here, yeah.
1 week later.
completely tearing down the existing wooden structure. So yeah, next week we'll be installing the steel support beams. After that we can start putting in the glass wall. But yeah, as you can see, we had to remove all the existing structure to be able to make space for the steel support beams. And we also, as you can see, started painting the walls a bit, see how it works out. And we'll be going all over the walls with the black paint in a couple of weeks. So yeah. So as you can see, we've just finished the steel beams and support. We've tidied up the wooden floor again, and we've kind of did a little hack job on the wiring just to keep it in place for now. But yeah, as you can see, we couldn't wait to put the cars in there to see how it looks like, how big it actually is, how much space we have. And yeah, as you can see, the result is pretty fucking great.
So it's been 1 week now since the walls have been painted. So as you can see, they're all nice and, focus please, nice and matte black.
Yeah.
Everything.
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 Everything. Even the plugs.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything is black.
There's still some green, which we decided not to paint it at first because we're like, you won't notice it that much. But now that it's done, we're like, we really gotta change it. So Joe is gonna paint it all black today and tomorrow. Today
and tomorrow.
He's gonna have a nice job.
That's why we built the scaffolding, just to reach it.
Yeah. So yeah, it's really progressing. We're just trying to get it done as fast as possible. Get the ceiling all done in black, so we can start preparing today and tomorrow for the glass walls that are being installed right here. After that, get some bridges, get the floor done, and really get things moving, because we really want to get this done. So yeah, hopefully a lot of progress coming 2-3 weeks, and check back soon.
While I'm editing this video, I found out how bad we actually are at making videos. So we only had one job, and that was to tell you we were going to install the ceiling under the floor. So yeah, that's what you're going to see now. Is dit mooi?
Goedemorgen. So yeah, as you can see, we've progressed quite a bit. We finished up the construction, give it some paint.
Nee, is goed, John. Nee, blijf maar doorgaan. Goed.
And today we decided to get rid of the wooden beams, make a flat ceiling, and install some mooi flat lights.
Mooi.
These are very mooi lights. We're going to be installing 10 of these in the ceiling, so we'll have a bit more light, and hopefully it will look a bit more slick. So white ceiling, white floors, black walls, see how it turns out.
Yeah. Kom je action shots maken?
Ja. Het komt nu altijd vaak voor dat ik jou aan het werk zie, dus...
Hoezo dat? Maat, kijk, alles wat zwart is mijn werk.
Ja, ik zie helemaal niks op de kamer, het is allemaal zwart.
Dan heb je niet hoeven de route hier uitlaten.
hart moet dan op 16 komen.
Hard vooruit, 16. Dat is de eerste, hè? Je ziet alweer wie het zware werk doet, hè?
Je bent wel echt druk bezig, hè?
Ik ben heel druk bezig.
Ik zie het. En deze man ook. Alleen maar staan. En, dan
En deze is kaart op werk.
Ja, deze doet gewoon stoer, hè?
Oh. What happened?
De kamer was te lang. Dus we hebben hem iets ingekort.
Heb je met dat ding ingekort? Met, ja, speciale elektrazaag. Ja. Met de elektrazaag.
Fireproof. Safety first.
Wat zijn we doen?
Gipsplaat zagen. Alleen Marco zijn bril niet afstaan. Denk jij ze af? Denk jij... Ben je serieus?
Waarom hebben we de camera beet? Wat zijn we aan het doen?
Retro filmen.
Van wanneer? Vandaag.
Ik voel hoe lang geleden dit is.
Oh ja.
Toen we nog slechter waren dan we nu zijn.
Ja,
Nee,
nu zijn we professionals geworden.
Ja.
Nu zijn we professionals.
This is the outro for the video. This is where it ends. You have to tune in 2 weeks.
Met de dingelingeling.
Met de bell.
Ja.
For more progress on what we are doing here. Where I'm currently sitting. Ooh. Oh, no shoot. Oh. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the first video. First, second, I don't know. You have to tune in 2 weeks to learn more about what we are doing here. To see more progression. Because trust me, this is just the beginning of what's happening here.
If you could see what we're seeing right now,
Yeah.
it's worth the wait.
It's worth the wait.
Yeah.
It's worth coming back for it.
For sure. For sure.
So put on the bell, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, give us a comment, just be nice. Or be not nice. Whatever.
Actually, roast the fuck out
Yeah,
of us.
roast. Yeah.
Roast our editing skills.
Roast everything.
Our Englesso.
Or English, yeah, roast our accent.
Roast our Dutch even.
Yeah, just roast everything.
Utrecht represent.
Nee, ik heb
Dus wil jij iets zeggen wat gecanceld zou worden?
Nee.
Ja,
nee.
ik zie het, ik ken de blik. Maar laten we maar niet doen in
Nee.
video.
Oké.
Ja, dat is weer echt 2 minuten topcontent.
Ja, dit is echt weer kut.